Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is center. So center method is used to align the string in center. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios or multiple arguments that we can pass to this method, and accordingly the output will be processed. So far we have prepared some 7 scenarios here where we are going to use this center method. So let's discuss one by one each scenario. So in first scenario, you can see that we are storing the string as hello, and then we are using this center method. So to use this, you can write string1 dot center, and inside a parenthesis you have to pass the width or length. So what it will do, it will centerize this string by considering this length. Okay, so in that case the output would be look like this. So this is how the output would come. The string is centered but the width is 10. Okay, so this is the new width. After centralizing the string, it would become 10 characters along with this string, which is in centralized. Okay, so if you want to see the output, I will press Ctrl Shift tilde to open my terminal, and in this terminal I will write Python space. So it will take some time. So I will write Python space session29.py, which is my program name. So it prints multiple outputs. So for first scenario, you can see that it shows some spaces before, then hello, and some spaces after. So this is how it centralized the hello world. Now for the second scenario, we are centralizing the string, but this time we are passing one more argument, which is asterisk. So what it will do, it will centralize the string. Along with that, it will also replace the spaces or blank spaces with asterisk, or whatever the value you are providing here, it will provide that value. So in previous one you were not able to see what are the extra thing, but here you can see that extra is asterisk and the string is centralized. Okay, now for the third scenario, you can see that we are providing some numbers and we are just assigning it. So it also centralize those numbers as well. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you are providing characters or numbers, it will perform the centralize operation, or it will align the string center. For fourth scenario, I am already specifying some spaces, and then I am providing the length as 15. So what it will do, it will consider those spaces as well, and then it aligns the string. So as per the given length of the string, it consider that length and provide the means and align the string in a center. So this is the fourth scenario. For fifth scenario, we are assigning the world into this string 5, and we are using this center method again. So what it will do, it will centralize the thing, but from, you can see here there is no extra space, so it is coming like this only. Okay, for sixth scenario, we are trying with another filler. This is the filler. In previous scenario we discussed about the asterisk filler, but this time we are using equals to. So here you can see it is filling the extra spaces with equals. Okay, now if you check for the seventh scenario, here we are using hello comma world and exclamation mark, and here I'm using the center method again. So what it will do, it will centralize the string, but you can see the given width is 8 and we are providing the characters more than 8, so that's why it is not showing it is not converting it, and it is directly printing the given output. Okay, so yeah, these are some scenarios through which we can centralize the string as per our requirement, whether you can centralize the string with the blank spaces, or you can align or centralize your string with the given filler value. So we tried with two filler values, asterisk and equal. Other than this, you can provide anything which you want to use as a filler. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.